can see. It's recording a video of the beach as well as the bridge, the Lionsgate Bridge over there. So this is North Vancouver, and the end of the bridge is landing at Stanley Park, which is going to connect to downtown Vancouver. So this Lions Bridge was built in opened in 1938. It opened to the public in 1938. It has a daily traffic of 60 to 70,000 vehicles that is passing across this bridge on a daily basis. It has a height of about 111 meters, or more than 300 feet. That's equivalent to about 30-story building. So I'm using this Z6 Nikon to record the bridge as well as the sea waves along the shoreline.
I was wrong, the words I spoke. I've been saying many things that are hurtful. Your tear-shed eyes, your fragile mind. Guess I'll be dancing on my own tonight. I know December's hard to cope with. I know I cost you lots of pain, but I did not mean to let you down this way. But I know deep inside I let your smile fade away. I let your smile fade away.